Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two giants in the email marketing, ConvertKit and AWeber. First, let's talk about user interface and usability. ConvertKit shines with its clean and intuitive design, making it a favorite for bloggers and creatives. AWeber, while functional, has a more traditional layout, but it's still quite user-friendly. The choice here depends on your preference for modern aesthetics versus a classic approach. When it comes to features, both platforms have their strength. ConvertKit offers robust automation and excellent landing page templates, while AWeber boasts a diverse range of email templates and detailed analytics. Let's not forget, AWeber's autoresponders are top-notch. In terms of customer support, both ConvertKit and AWeber offer impressive services. ConvertKit provides helpful resources like webinars, whereas AWeber is renowned for its live chat and email support. Both ensure you're never left in the dark. Pricing is a crucial factor. ConvertKit can be on the pricier side, especially for larger lists, but it does offer a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers. AWeber is more wallet-friendly, with its free plan accommodating up to 500 subscribers and generally cheaper paid plans. Both platforms excel in email deliverability, ensuring your campaigns reach your audience effectively. This is where neither ConvertKit nor AWeber disappoint. Community feedback is always telling. ConvertKit often gets praised for its ease of use, while AWeber is commended for its reliability and comprehensive tools. It really boils down to what you value more in your email marketing strategy. To sum up, ConvertKit is ideal for those who value design and advanced features, while AWeber suits those looking for a cost-effective, reliable tool. The best part? Both offer free trial, so you can make an informed decision based on your personal experience. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.